Meaning of holier-than-thou.
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 Holier-than-thou. The term holier-than-thou refers to a person who acts superior or self-righteous, particularly in matters of morality or virtue. Someone who is holier-than-thou may judge others for their actions or beliefs while believing themselves to be morally superior. This can create tension and resentment between individuals or groups. People may use this phrase to criticize others for their perceived hypocrisy or arrogance. It is important to strive for humility and empathy, rather than judgment and self-righteousness, in our interactions with others.